When a home has been cherished by its original owners, there's a level of love that you feel the moment you pull up. This isn't just a quick flip. This is an impeccably kept home that radiates pride of ownership in every single detail. And it sits on one of the best locations you could ask for. We're in the highly sought after Rancho Highlands community, but it's tucked away with the kind of sweeping views that you just have to see to believe. Striking curb appeal, spacious 3-car garage, total privacy. Inside the home, it's completely dialed in with that open concept. I mean, check out this travertine tile that just pulls you into this open living space. A beautifully remodeled kitchen is the true center gravity of this home, surrounded by updated windows and some really impressive views. And the layout is incredibly smart for how we actually need it. You have a super convenient main floor bedroom right here, perfect for a private home office or a welcoming guest quarters. And it even has its own sliding glass door to the backyard, and it's positioned right next to a bathroom with a walk-in shower. But upstairs is where you go to unplug. This primary suite is like a tranquil retreat. And what's the best part, you ask? Well, it's this balcony right here. Just imagine every morning taking in those panoramic views. And when the weekend hits, this outdoor space becomes an immediate extension of the living area. You have extensive hardscape, multiple patio covers, and a built-in barbecue that's ready for grilling and lots of chilling. And when that sun finally goes down, you got this awesome cozy gas fire pit to kick back and relax under the stars. Beyond your front door, the vibrant Rancho Highlands lifestyle is waiting. It's just minutes from Old Town Temecula, the wine country, and the I-15 freeway. You've got a community pool and spa, tennis and pickleball courts, and lovely neighborhood parks like the Temecula Duck Pond just right down the street. This isn't just an amazing location. This is a meticulous kept home that's just ready for its next chapter.